Hey class, I hope you're doing okay on this wet Monday morning. I'm traveling for work and I'm in like LA area and it's like storming. And guess who forgot an umbrella? Yeah, that's me. So I'm gonna get soaking wet when I go try to act like important when I go meet other professors. Oh well. So here we are, human sexuality, week 2 of content. We're moving into research methods. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of learn about what it is that people do to study sexuality and sex research. And one thing to say about that is that when you learn about Kinsey and Masters and Johnson and the people that are kind of pioneers in sex research, what you'll find out is that it's highly underfunded because organizations that fund things like research on human subjects think that this isn't important. So it's always been a struggle to get money for sex research. But the other piece of it is that there's an ethical piece to sex research. And so you're going to learn a little bit about problematic historical pieces of research that harmed human subjects. And so that's why there's an important ethics component to doing any sort of research on human subjects. So you're going to do that this week, and then you're going to post in your discussion forum like normal. But the other thing you're going to do is you're going to write your own sex history. And so I gave you an assignment that has a lot of kind of detailed questions that are highly personal. And so I'm asking you to do them for yourself and not share them. But I want you to have the experience of doing it, and then this is how I'm going to evaluate you. So you're going to write 8 to 10 sentences about what you learned and kind of talk about what came up for you while doing it. I want you to be mindful of, some of the questions could be triggering, so please do what you need to do to keep yourself protected. Read them first and then kind of decide like how you're going to go about it. And if you, obviously, since you're not turning it in, I won't know if you skip a question, but you're going to answer the questions to yourself. So it's sort of your own journey. But then you'll upload kind of a response, okay? And it can be a Word doc, and then you can just get it in there. Click on the Submit Assignment, and you should be good to go. Okay, so there's that plus your post for this week. So email me with any questions, and I hope everything is good in your world, and I'll be back to Marin on Thursday. I'm homesick. I've been gone since Friday, so I'm really ready to be done and go home and see my dogs and my family and just like eat food that I make. And like traveling is weird. It's fun and weird, right? It's both. I mean, if I was somewhere fun, it would be different, but yeah, okay. Anyways, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great, great, great week. Bye.